What is up, YouTube? This is Owen Dowell here, and welcome to another video. I know it's been a little while since I've last made a video. It's been a lot longer than I thought it would be. Let's just say that. Maybe one day I'll get into some of the reasonings why, but that's not what's important about this video. This video is a big deal. I'm going to be making a iPhone 16 Pro Max unboxing, and I am so long overdue for a new phone that I'm quite excited about this. And yeah, without further ado, guys, I guess let's go ahead and let's get into it. So as you can see, I've got two cameras kind of going on here. I've got this right here, my MacBook Pro, and then right here, I've got my iPhone 16. Are you kidding me? This is my iPhone 11 Pro Max, filming the actual unboxing here. This is the phone that needs to go. I've had this phone for, it's been just about 5 years. Not quite, I think we'll hit 5 years next month in October. And guys, that is actually the longest I've ever had a phone, period. I've never had a phone this long. So let me see here. Let me go ahead and adjust this upwards a little bit. Hopefully that's gonna allow you guys to see me a little bit better. And without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and let's get into this. I'm gonna try to stand probably right here while I do this unboxing, just so y'all can get a good idea. I just wanna be able to get my reactions and stuff. And guys, this has been killing me all day. I got this in this morning and I was working. My plan was to actually get this phone in the launch day, but that didn't work. And the reason why, long story short, I changed my carrier from Verizon to Visible, and Apple doesn't allow you to finance your phone using Visible from their website. You can buy it outright, but I didn't want to buy it outright. So I had to wait for Visible to make it available. And when Visible did make it available, despite it saying that they'll do overnight shipping, for some reason, the UPS location in Pennsylvania, for some reason, they just held onto it for a night. I don't know why. That's not overnight shipping in my opinion, but it's okay. I have it now. Oh, wait a minute. That's right. This is actually not the phone. This is actually the case that I got for the phone. Yeah, I've got a spec. So if y'all remember from my iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing that I did back in 2019, I got an OtterBox case. It was the what was it? I want to say it was the OtterBox. I will put the name of it right here, and I've actually been loyal to this particular case. As you can see, you might be able to see on my phone right here, I'm actually rocking a clear version of it because I wore out the black one that I originally bought, so I wanted to go with a clear one. And I actually really like clear cases, which is why I wanted to go for a clear case in this particular situation. And the reason why I went with spec is because, as you'll know, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has the new camera function, and this one looked like it had the button properly set up. I couldn't really tell. We will find out. It might not. It might just be a cutout. But regardless, I'm going to be happy with it. And until OtterBox comes out with one that has the proper integration with the new button, I'll just rock with this one. So that's that. Let's get this one out of the way. And let's get the iPhone itself, which is actually over here. Boom, check that out, guys. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium. This is actually the 512 gigabyte model, which I thought I needed as it's upside down. It's so symmetrical, you can't tell which way it goes. So yeah, this is exciting. This is my first new iPhone, guys, in just about 5 years. Again, the longest I've ever had a phone of any kind, including my Razr that I had in high school, including those cheap little Samsung slidey phones that I used to have. I only had those for probably about a year or two. So here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and let's stop wasting time. Let's crack into this. I have, again, been waiting so long to do this. This actually was chilling in my luggage since I got it. I basically took it out of the official packaging and put it directly into my luggage. Like, I just, whew. All right, so let's go ahead and let's tear this thing. Looks like we got two of them. There's no plastic in Apple's packaging this year. Ooh, that's satisfying. That's made of paper, but that was still really satisfying. Apple is really trying to be very sensitive with the environment this year, so they took away the plastic wrap that you typically get on their boxes. All right. And this is gonna blow my mind. Like, it wouldn't slide out before, but now it's gonna slide out. Ready? Hang on. Let's get it this way. Boom! Oh my gosh. This is mine. And I am so excited. I've always wanted to do a launch day iPhone unboxing, which is why I was really bummed when this wasn't gonna get here on time. You know what I mean? But I did successfully succeed in one thing. This is the first one I have ever seen in person. And this is I'm tapping it right now, you see that? This is the first time I'm touching one in person. That is cool. I've always wanted a new iPhone to be the first one that I actually experience. Let's take this out. I have to say, this frosted finish, ooh, look, a little scuff, little something right there. I think it'll come off. It's just like from the factory. Wow. Yo, this thing feels cool. This dude, oh my gosh. Okay, let's go ahead and take this off. Oh look, actually this is neat. I don't know how many people touch on this. You've got labels here showing you what each button does. So as you know, the iPhone got the new action button back last year, which that's what this is denoting. Volume up and down. Actually, you can see it's the mute switch, but this is actually the action button. No longer a switch. You got the power button and the new camera control, which is a button, but I hear it has some haptics to it. So let's go ahead and take this off. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot believe this is mine. Oh my word, this is amazing. This thing is so cool. I love the new squared off design. I remember when Apple switched to that on the 12, I wasn't a fan, but I'm actually a huge fan of it. It grew on me over the years. All right, so set that there. And also we have here USB-C to USB-C cable. And this is nice because it's actually braided, just like the one that my MacBook Pro got when I unboxed it. I've got this cable, which is a really nice cable. It's got the braided look to it, as you can see. So it's gonna be durable. But I do still want to get one from Anker. So yeah, I actually do have a couple. I do have an Anker USB-C to USB-C. And I also need to get an Anker USB-A to USB-C for my car. So very cool. And I think we've got one more thing in here. This looks suspiciously like documentation of some kind. Now, I did see one really, really sad bit of news. This is a brand new unboxing experience to me, at least, you know, this particular like format. We no longer get, you know what, just take it off. Don't be weird about it. So I can preserve it. We no longer get Apple stickers. You no longer need a physical SIM to activate your phone. That's right, this phone has an eSIM. There's no physical SIM cards. That's what I do with Visible. I actually didn't realize that the iPhone 11 Pro Max had an eSIM. I just forgot, but yeah, it has an eSIM, so. And check that out, recycle. Very cool. But yeah, no Apple stickers. This is weird. Why would they do that? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a first boot. I'm not gonna set this thing up on camera, but I am gonna give y'all a first boot. And no, I don't have a screen protector. I'm not gonna rock a screen protector on this, at least for right now. Oh, here we go. Okay, that light might be just a little distracting. Let me go ahead and let me kill that. Here we go. Hello, baby. I'm not gonna set this up like I say. Ooh, I also get the dynamic island. That's new. And guys, because this is a Pro phone, this has Pro Motion on it. So I'm gonna get the 128 Hertz display, just like on my MacBook Pro. And actually, one thing about my MacBook Pro, actually, that I really find that I underappreciate the Pro Motion on my Mac. So I'm curious to see how I feel about it on this phone. Honestly, with my Mac, I forget that it's there all the time. I really do. I just do. I mean, most of what I do on here is watch like 60 frames per second video and whatever. And if I'm scrolling, I just don't pay attention to that. So I'm curious if I'm going to notice it as much on the iPhone. But guys, check this thing out. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I am in love with this new Desert Titanium color. Let's go ahead and try out that. Oh, I can't. I can't try out the camera control. Or can I? What happens if I push it? Nothing. Darn. All right. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna save that for myself. Everything about setting up the new phone, I'm gonna do it myself. I almost swiped up as you saw, but nope. This is my experience. Here, I'll tell you what. Let's go ahead and let's put on the case, and then I will end this video. And hopefully I can get this up. Oh wow, their packaging is still the same that it was in like 2015. It's still a drawer. That is pretty neat, actually. Huh. Well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. You know what I mean? Oh, it is a cutout. Oh, that's too bad. Hey, you know what? It's okay though. This is the better cutout than any of the other ones I've seen, which is just kind of a slot. So, all right. I think I just drop. God, look at that. That screen is beautiful. Guys, this stuff matters to me. It really does. Like, I am obsessed with a nice screen. I really am. Okay. Let me see. Bang! There we are. We're protected. Check that out. Got the MagSafe portion here, so whenever I get a MagSafe accessory, I'll be able to use that. That's going to be really, really cool. What's that? Why does that look like that? Is that like a cover or like a plastic? I don't know. I'll look at that later. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Expect some more videos from me soon. I'm still outstanding on a video of this. This is my Casio G-Shock GAB 2100 in yellow. I need to make a video about this. I've had it for about a year. So I think it's about time that I just make a year review of it. So I think that's what I'm going to do here pretty soon. So stay looking out for that one. And I've also got another video, which I may do. I also just might do this for myself. Y'all can definitely let me know, actually. This is an SSD that I bought because as y'all know, when I bought my MacBook Pro, I kind of failed at buying a good storage capacity. So this is a 2 terabyte external SSD that I'm going to be able to just offload stuff and keep stuff on. So if y'all want to see a video of this, let me know. It's also compatible with the iPhone 15 or iPhone 16 Pro Max. And also check it out, guys. USB-C. Let me turn the light back on. What am I doing? Check it out. As you can see, USB-C right there, baby. Let's plug that in and see how that feels. I don't know if I've ever actually plugged in a USB-C iPhone. Oh, that feels good. That's nice. All right, guys, that's going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and adios. Or geputen. Or hola. Which means hello. But we're at the end of the video, so adios.